In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reserve your Hytale username in a few steps. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. All you need to do is go to hytale.com and then you can sign up to create your account if you don't have one already. But in my case, I have one, so I'm just going to log into my account. Now you should see something like this. So to reserve your name, all you need to do is go to game profiles. And now they have updated this because on the past days you could use reserve a name with a token, but now you will need to pre-purchase the game. So all you need to do is click right here, search for the edition you want to buy. So as you probably know, there are different editions with different pricing. And as you can see, all the editions will come with a username reservation log. So by pre-purchasing any edition, you can get your username reserved. And if you want to know the names that are already taken, you can go to hytalenames.org, and right here you should find all the names. So you can filter them, or you can even search right here for a specific name. You can also use this one, this is the URL, and you can enter a username right here to see if it's taken or not. So just search for the name you want and keep testing until you find the one that is available. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.